one little piece has broken off, so I decided to buy some new change. Security above everything, huh? Not sure if this is a good plan, but the ground is now very soft and it starts to freeze, so it will be harder. So I think it's better to egalize it a little bit. But I don't have the right push tools, but I have a lot of pieces of a tree, so maybe it's gonna work with that. Let's see. I'm sliding away. Look at the tree. Funny. Good morning. Today the Grus guy will come from the gravel to fill up the wheel tracks so cars can go easier here. Also mine, of course, because the path is really wet and soft. It has rained so much the last days, so I really have to do this. You have to do it regularly because the gravel will sink in the mud in the end. I hope he will come soon. Yeah, interesting to see how he will do this. So not into the middle, because otherwise it would waste too much, and the middle is already high, so it would touch the bottom of the car otherwise. And there it goes. Not quite in the wheel tracks, also quite a lot in the middle, but this go way easier and faster than with the hand. $14 ton. But to be honest, we also expected to have enough for the next lane, which is also important. The one after that is quite okay. That is, there is enough Grus. It consumed way more gravel than I thought, but yeah, it's not that much in the wheel tracks because it's quite over the whole road. Yeah, and then it uses a lot. After 1 month in the Netherlands, I found a leaky boiler and I opened it to see what happened. By seeing this, I decided to replace it. The new boiler. Hopefully it's good now. I put back on the pump that pumps the water from the well that is 8 meters away, I think around 6 meters in the ground. And a lot of Swedes have a heating cable around, in the more northern parts. But here it's pretty deep under the ground, and even with minus 15, it wasn't frozen. And the previous owner told me that last year it was not frozen either, and then it was minus 25. So probably the depth of this cable is very good. A leak. I decided to go for other pipes, so I need to empty the boiler of 10 liters. I'm trying, but it's so challenging. I get so nervous from it. Last night I slept so bad because I already had a leak, and then I asked myself, why do I really want to do all this by myself? It's so nice when it works, but in the process, before it really functions, it's really stressful. I filled up the boiler, let the air out. Now the electricity is on it. I was not allowed to do that with an empty boiler. I got warned many times in YouTube. But now this pipe is getting warmer, of course, because I let out the hot water. And I don't know if it changes the fittings, so testing. And in the little kitchen sink, the hot water is going out. That's why it's refilling now. You hear the pump. Yeah, finally it's good. Now the plumbing to the bathroom. I'm doing the dishes now. That had been a while. I'm not so good at those things, but because there are so many projects that wants to be finished. But I couldn't use the sink because I didn't have water because I'm repairing the boiler. But now the boiler is functioning again, the new one. I installed it. But look at the height, it's so small here, and I want to renovate this and use a nice wooden plank and make it custom made, maybe a little washing machine, but yeah, a dishwasher. But it's not that much, but if I rent it out, that would be more functional. But it's not so good for my back, this position, because it's so small. I should rather do it on my knees. Here I am at my friend's place, Heidi and Ola, and they have a beautiful tree. Here there is a piano that can be picked up for free. So if you're interested, let me know. This place is amazing. I will film a bit more next time. Apparently it's not so easy to drill level. You see it's quite a big gap over there. I think it's 15 centimeters, the wall. So yeah, and I need to drill it out in order to get it flush with that position. I think it's okay. Oh no, it's not. Oh, I'll leave it for that. I forgot the silver rosette, but it's okay for this place. I hope in the living room I won't forget it. I am ready to put the pressure on with the water. I installed the boiler and connected all the pipes towards the bathroom and the washing machine. So over there and the one over there to the bedroom and then to the bathroom. So quite some pipes, quite some fittings. Will it go well? Aye, exciting. This one is leaking. But then I always have the problem turning to what side. Yeah, righty-tighty, but seen from what side. I think... I can use another one. That is smart. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, from that side, see. Okay. It feels quite tight. I hope I have not over-tightened it. Good morning. The first time I can do my wash because I finished yesterday the plumbing and my washing machine is installed now. I already tried to do a wash, but now I can do way more because it's a 9 kilo washing machine. So I'm really thrilled for a washing machine. And there it is, the washing machine in my temporary bathroom with the pipes that I had to install through 3 rooms, so I'm really happy. I don't think I've ever been so happy with the washing machine. And a lovely, efficient dry process. That was it for this week. A lot of stressy work with the plumbing, but I'm so happy I have a washing machine now that I can use with the water from my well. Yeah, with all the paddle I'm playing, it's really needed. A great start for a future bathroom. So really, really happy with that. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next video.